Picture this, a world where traffic congestion becomes a tale of the past, a world where your ride home is smooth and uninterrupted, where getting stuck in a traffic jam feels like a distant memory. Welcome to the autonomous revolution. In this fascinating new world, self-driving cars are the norm, not the exception. These vehicles are feats of modern engineering, equipped with advanced LiDAR sensors and 360-degree cameras. These technologies allow them to navigate flawlessly through city streets, highways, and even the most intricate of routes. But it's not just about getting from point A to point B. These autonomous vehicles communicate with each other. They share data about the best routes, the current traffic conditions, and any potential obstacles. It's like a symphony of information, with each vehicle playing its part to ensure a harmonious journey for all. This technology is not just about convenience, it's about safety too. By communicating with each other, these vehicles can anticipate potential hazards and react accordingly. It's like having a team of vigilant co-pilots, all working together to ensure you reach your destination safely. And what about those times when there's an unexpected roadblock or detour? No problem. The autonomous vehicles can quickly calculate the optimal alternative route, ensuring you get to your destination as quickly and efficiently as possible. It's not just about the technology inside the vehicles, though. This revolution is transforming our cities and highways, making them smarter, safer, and more efficient. Traffic lights, road signs, even the roads themselves are becoming part of this interconnected network, communicating with the vehicles to optimize traffic flow and safety. As we transition from manual to autonomous, the possibilities seem endless. We're on the brink of a new era in mobility, where our journeys are smoother, safer, and more efficient. This is the autonomous revolution. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about reshaping the very way we think about travel. That's all for now. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the cutting-edge innovations shaping our world. Remember, the future is not just about technology, it's about how we wield it. Let's shape a world where AI, robotics, and electronics serve humanity's highest aspirations. Imagine if your car becomes your new travel guide. That's right, the age of conversational AI in automobiles is upon us. Let's take General Motors, for instance. They've integrated a powerful conversational AI called ChatGPT into their cars. This isn't your typical voice-activated system. It's a full-blown chatbot that can carry on a conversation with you. Need to know about your car's features? Just ask. Want to schedule routine maintenance or set a reminder for your next road trip? Your car's got you covered. Looking for a great Italian restaurant in the city? Your car can recommend one. All of this is possible without taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. If you thought self-driving cars were revolutionary, wait till you have a conversation with one. Cars are no longer just vehicles, they are intelligent companions. Welcome to the new era of manufacturing. Here, artificial intelligence and robotics are the game changers, the silent revolutionaries that are reshaping the way we produce and create. Imagine factories where machines effortlessly communicate with each other, sharing crucial data in real time. These smart factories, powered by AI, bring an unprecedented level of efficiency. They can predict maintenance needs before a breakdown occurs, saving time and resources. They optimize production lines, increasing output and reducing waste. This is the reality of AI-driven manufacturing, a reality where proactive measures replace reactive ones. But it's not just about machines. It's about the seamless collaboration between humans and robots. In these factories of the future, robots don't replace human workers. They work alongside them, enhancing their capabilities. Robots take on repetitive, strenuous tasks, while humans focus on critical decision-making and creative problem-solving. This symbiotic relationship ensures precision, safety, and productivity. The benefits of this AI-driven manufacturing extend beyond the factory floor. It reduces the carbon footprint by minimizing waste and increasing energy efficiency. It enables the production of higher quality goods at a lower cost, making them more accessible to a broader audience. It even boosts the economy by creating high-skilled jobs as the demand for AI and robotic specialists grow. Yet the most significant benefit might be one we can't quantify. By freeing human workers from monotonous tasks, AI allows them to explore their creativity, to innovate, to dream bigger. It empowers them to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, as we step into this new era, let's remember, AI is not replacing humans, it's empowering them. It's enhancing our capabilities, encouraging us to reach new heights. In the factories of the future, we're not just making products, we're crafting a better world. A world where technology serves us, where it fuels our imaginations and amplifies our potential. Welcome to the future, where AI and humans work hand in hand, where together, we're building the unimaginable. How about your gadgets knowing you better than you do? It's a bold concept, yet one that's increasingly becoming our reality. Picture this. Your smartwatch doesn't just track your steps, it learns your fitness habits, nudges you when you've been idle for too long, and even suggests workouts based on your past activities. Now let's bring this home, quite literally. In the realm of smart homes, artificial intelligence is a game changer. Your home learns your routines, adjusts the lights, temperature, and even the music to your liking. The coffee maker starts brewing just as you're about to wake up, and your fridge suggests recipes based on what's inside. These aren't mere conveniences, they're transformative applications of artificial intelligence, personalizing our experience with technology. The potential of these technologies is vast, and we're only scratching the surface. Personalization is the new norm in the world of electronics. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we witness the rise of artificial intelligence, this sentiment rings truer than ever. AI holds immense potential, but alongside that potential comes a host of ethical considerations. The question is no longer just about what AI can do, but what it should do. AI, as a product of human creation, can inadvertently mirror our biases and prejudices. It's a reflection of the data it's fed, and if that data is biased, the AI's decisions could be as well. This raises serious concerns about fairness and equity. From job applicant screening to predictive policing, biased AI could perpetuate existing inequalities and create new ones. Transparency is another critical aspect of AI ethics. It's not enough for an AI system to make a decision. We need to understand how it arrived at that conclusion. This is especially important in high-stakes fields like healthcare or finance. If an AI recommends a course of treatment or an investment strategy, we need to know the logic behind these recommendations. Accountability is the third pillar of AI ethics. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is liable? Is it the developer who created the AI, the company that deployed it, or the user who relied on its advice? These are complex questions that we, as a society, need to answer. Fortunately, there's an ongoing effort to address these ethical issues. Computer scientists, ethicists, and policymakers are working together to develop guidelines and regulations for AI. They're creating algorithms that can explain their reasoning, and they're testing AI systems for bias and working to correct it. This work is crucial to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. AI ethics is not an option, it's a necessity. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, we must ensure it aligns with our values. We must guide AI, not be guided by it. AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. Let's use it to create a fairer, more transparent, and more accountable world. Scene script. Are we ready for the convergence of AI and human cognition? This is more than just a rhetorical question. It's the crux of a concept known as the singularity. It's not a phrase borrowed from science fiction, but a term rooted in the reality of rapid technological progress. The singularity refers to a point in the not-too-distant future when artificial intelligence will have reached a level of sophistication where it matches and even surpasses human intelligence. Picture this: brain-computer interfaces that could provide us with enhanced memory, heightened creativity, and superhuman communication skills. These interfaces, made possible by the fusion of AI and our own neural networks, are already under development. They're not just about augmenting our capabilities, they're about creating a symbiotic relationship between humans and machines. Imagine being able to download and process information at the speed of thought, to communicate instantly without the need for language, or to design and visualize complex systems in the blink of an eye. It sounds like the stuff of fantasy, doesn't it? But it's closer to reality than you might think. But let's not get carried away. The road to the singularity is not without its challenges. We'll need to navigate ethical and societal hurdles. We must ensure that these technologies are used responsibly, that they augment rather than replace our human capabilities. And we need to ensure that they're accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few. The potential of brain-computer interfaces is immense. They could redefine what it means to be human, opening up new realms of possibility for creativity, innovation, and collaboration. But as with any powerful tool, they must be used wisely. The singularity is not just a concept, it could be our reality. But as we stand on the brink of this new era, let's remember that it's not just about the technology. It's about how we use it, how we integrate it into our lives, and how we ensure it serves the best interests of all humanity.